Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Initiating with the great name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Allah Almighty is the creator of you, me and this entire cosmos by the grace of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The topic that today I am going to discuss something with you is self-discipline. Self-discipline is a major thing that we all must know something about, and we all must practice the self-discipline. Self-discipline means the discipline, the rules and regulations of our mind, of our self, that come from within us. That is called the self-discipline. Self-discipline is very crucial for a person's success. Self-discipline means that you keep your things arranged in a proper way. You keep your things and your self arranged, your mind arranged in a proper way, in a proper order. That is known as self-discipline. But unfortunately, nowadays, the people do not keep themselves self-disciplined. The way the people behave is not self-disciplined. Everything that the people do is not in good manners. From waking up to sleeping, they have not a proper schedule. They have not a proper schedule on which they should sleep, they should wake up, they should do their studies, and therefore, unfortunately, our society is going backward. Our students are not working hard. Our students are not properly behaving. It is only because they have not the self-discipline. How can we expect from a person that person would be able to do any work when he does not wake up for the call of prayer in the morning? He has no Fajr prayer. How can we accept that he can do all the other works on its proper time when he is not doing the work of Allah Almighty on a proper time? Fajr prayer, Zohar prayer, Isha prayer, Maghrib prayer, Asr prayer, all of these prayers are on their proper time. Why Allah Almighty has kept these on its proper time? Why our prayers become qaza? It's only because they have a proper time that Allah Almighty wants to teach us punctuality. And punctuality is an integral part of the self-discipline, my dears. Self-discipline does not only mean that you have to keep your things on a proper place, but self-discipline also means that you have to do all things that are obligatory on you. Everything that relates to your life. Everything, my dears. So that is known as the self-discipline. Keep self-discipline in you. Make it an integral part of your life. Practice self-discipline, and then you will see that Allah Almighty will open new doors of success for you. Do many things. Respect all the people. Do many and many things, and then you will see that your life is going to change. You are going to change. Everything around you is going to change. Your life will completely change. Who does not want that their life should change? Everyone. And the key to it is self-discipline. Your heart, your mind, your works, your home, your academy, your school, your all chores should be in a disciplined way, and then your life will change. Thank you so much.